Hello everybody, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we have a review of this AirPod silicone case. Now right away, I can give my personal opinion. The color's not as nice as I thought it was going to be. You know, it's, yeah, the color's just not what I was hoping for. The black is cool, but the color is definitely, you know, as far as color goes, for my preference, you know, I give it a 3 out of 10. But these are supposed to be to protect your Apple AirPods. So it's a good design. It's gonna protect it. It'll add a little bit of style. If you're into this color, then hey, go for it. But for me, the color's definitely not there. So, like I said, I thought the color was gonna be more darker than what it is. So in the listing, you know, it was my mistake. It's not the company's mistake. But overall, you know, it's a good holder. You know, right there. So if this looks appealing to you, then hey, it's made of good quality and it's going to protect them and it's going to add a little bit more style. But I'm going to have to give it a 5 to 6 out of 10, and that's just my own personal preference. That's nothing against the quality. The quality is decent quality. For the price, it's a good price. Overall, it's just not me, and I thought it was, but it wasn't. So that is my honest review. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested, you can find this in the video description. I believe they have other colors, so I might have to go buy another color. And I believe they have other styles as well. So I have a bunch of these because I like swapping them out with different ones. You know, I don't like to keep the same plain thing. Kind of like cell phone cases. I have like 10 cell phone cases because I like to swap them out for different seasons and so forth. So, okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You never know what video is going to come next, what product we're going to be doing next.